welcome to Cooking with CJ.
Like me.
Alright, yes, this is CJ and we have a special guest. This is Aaliyah. And today we are going to be making quesadilla.
Yeah. You know it.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Alright.
You know what? We have meat. We have
Tortillas, sour cream, and salsa. So what we're gonna do with this chicken, for those at home, people at home who actually have raw chicken, you cut the chicken up. We're gonna cut it up, we're gonna season it, and then we're gonna cook it. Always be sure if you're gonna deal with raw chicken, you can always go to Walmart or you can get like chicken that's in a bag that's already made and just warm it up. But what we have in the house, we have raw chicken. So you wanna always make sure when you take it out of the packet, you wanna wash it first. You know, just wash it, then season it, cut it up, or cut it up and season it, and then we're gonna throw it in the pan, and then we're gonna make some quesadillas.
Alright guys, now you're all done. Now all you have to do is just to cut it in a cool triangle. Alright, see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching.